Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. In today's video we are discussing something good because I am showing you a way by which you can access the audit table as well as the journal input table in a very easy way. Let me show you the tables first of all. This is Sys journal table. You know what is Sys journal field table, right? Whenever you write something in the work note, it will get stored in the Sys journal table, and this table is very huge. So when you open this table directly by dot list, it will take hell lot of time, and if you did it in business hours, it will hamper the performance in any way. So let me open that table first. This is demo, so it will not take much time. So at present it is only having 2 records, but in general you can go and check in your instance. Okay, I am not lying here. So let's go to incident. Let me open this incident. So now let me add the work notes here. Okay, testing at 9/11/2022. Okay, so now the situation arises when I want to update this comment. I cannot see it here. I see the activity but I cannot update it here, so I have to go to the table. So for that I have to open the table, but again I told you it's a very risky thing. So there is a very simple thing which you can do. I have the syntax here. This is the basic syntax which you have to follow. Just copy this syntax. This is basically the URL. Paste the URL here. Okay, so now provide your instance name. My instance name is this, and then at the end, after element ID equal to, this is the sys ID of the record in which you have the comment. So I have the comment in this particular incident, right? So I just copy this particular sys ID, paste it here. I'm done. Press enter. So these are all the entries in the sys journal field which you can see for that record. So this is my comment, right? I can easily update that. Double click. Okay, done. So if you use this approach, it will not hamper the performance because it is not now navigate all the records. It will navigate to the record which you have specified. As simple as that. In the same way, we have the query for audit table as well, and audit table also is one of the huge table, and again it will impact the performance like anything. So now let me copy this. Let me check. Paste it. Just update the name, right? This is the complete name, and update the sys ID of this record. Just remember the syntax of this URL. This is sysaudit.list, then sys query equal to document key equal to this, right? Sys ID. Here we have element ID equal to sys ID. So you have to remember this. Enter. So these all are the sys audit records with respect to only this incident in demo. So in demo it has 43. Remember what will happen when it is there in your instance, that is production, and huge number of incident records and other task records are there. So I think you have understood what I'm trying to say. If you want your customer to be happy and do not bug you, okay, what you have done, my instance is very slow. So you can use these type of tricks. I have specified all this in my website, ServiceNow Spectacular. So you can open that article. I'll show you here. Best way to delete comment and work notes. So this is not me, this is not you. It can be anyone who just opens this audit table dot list. Okay, so all the steps are there. You can copy the syntax directly from here and use it. Same goes for audit history. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept. I hope you like my video. Subscribe to the channel and just spread this across, okay, and let the people know, okay, this is a trick. Thank you so much. Bye bye.